Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing 2-3 kilograms of clean palm kernels. This reduces contamination and improves oil yield. Once soaked for 2 to 4 hours, the shells soften and crack easily, so you can use a mallet or a mechanical cracker. Make sure to separate nut meats from fragments as you go, because residual shell fragments will reduce press efficiency and contaminate the banga. By doing this now, you set up a consistent, high-yield extraction step that saves time downstream. Once kernels are boiled for 30 to 45 minutes, your goal is to break cellular walls, so you pound or run them through a mill into a coarse mash. You want the mash to retain roughly 60 to 70% moisture. That balance keeps the oil suspended in an emulsion, making it easier to separate. Then, agitate or knead the mash vigorously to coalesce oil droplets. This step increases oil recovery. Make sure to work efficiently, because temperature and agitation directly affect extraction rate. You press the mash using a manual or hydraulic press, collecting raw banga in clean, heat-safe containers. Pressure squeezes out the emulsion and gives you the bulk oil. Once pressed, allow the liquid to settle for 6 to 12 hours so solids sink. Then decant or siphon the clear layer and boil briefly to sterilize and stop fermentation. Make sure to filter through a clean cloth for clarity and store in airtight containers. If oil tastes rancid, check for residual water or heat inadequacy. Dry and reheat gently before storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.